So I founded Hatmill in 2009. We're really just a vehicle for me to do consulting on my own, so I set up as a one-man band at that time. I guess it's gone through various phases of growth, but now in 2021 we've got a team of 40 employees, a regular sort of pool of 10 to 15 associates, and it's significantly different from 12 years ago. Typically we work a lot with retail because they tend to have the most complexity in their supply chains because they're combining products from lots of different suppliers and having to pull that together to make a delivery to a store or a customer. So that tends to have the most complexity, I think. But we also work in other segments. We've worked in engineering, manufacturing, healthcare, public sector. So it's quite a diverse range of businesses and organisations, but always in sort of the functional specialist area of either logistics or supply chain. So last couple of years have been crazily busy. We've done significant amounts of work with the NHS on their COVID response, both working in PPE and vaccine. So we've had quite a significant number of the team helping to do demand planning and allocation work for vaccine and matching manufacturing volumes with demand in the early days in terms of the different cohorts of health requirements that existed, but then as that expanded, we also did the logistics and the allocation for the mass vaccination programme across England and Wales. We helped set up the PPE network with the Department of Health in the early days of COVID pandemic, and we're now helping to transition a lot of that work back into core NHS so that it can become business as usual for them. Other significant things in the last 2 years have been the growth of automation. So we're inundated at the moment with clients wanting to automate their warehouse processes and activities, largely because of shortage of available labour and also to try and drive some efficiency. And that's been massive in the last 2 or 3 years. It's really crazy in terms of the level of interest in that. So those projects are really complex and difficult to do. So we can add loads of value because we've got an experienced team who've been doing that over many years. So we've assembled a team of solution designers, implementers, project managers, so we can sort of take the headache away from the client in those jobs.